Hello world. So this is my project. Actually, it's a kind of tourism and educational project. So reality. Yeah. So I have a background in arts. I have a background in. I've worked in a museum before. I've also had a background in education. Yeah. So combining all these experiences, I decided to create something in augmented reality. Yes, as you see here, you have the various screens showing the experiences, including in a watch view and then the actual AR view. So let's look at the prototype here, and I'm going to have to go back. So the main screen, and click on Start, login, gives you the various things. So if I want, I can come to this experience. I'll go back. I can go for the education, and education. I can click on this, or yeah, this, and then gives me the AR view. Go home. Then go home. And then I can click on restaurant. Moment, let's see. Can we see? Click on restaurants. Gets various restaurants. Let's see. And you can experience them in AR view. For now, you can't like it's just a concept. Okay, so nothing much. But these are the various screens. So basically, that's it. And the project is available on Figma community. You can edit it and customize it to your choice or choosing. Thank you.